There is a strange problem with this car. It cannot start normally during the day, but it returns to normal at night. The car owner was frightened. He found me. Let me help him find out why. This is the tool I brought. Let me try to start it up. Put on the brakes. Start up. Sure enough. Try again. Still can't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. The car owner was troubled for half a month in the repair shop. Cleaned the throttle. Replaced spark plugs and ignition coil. Even cleaned the oxygen sensor. It cost $3,000. But the problem is not solved. The car owner asked me if I could solve this difficult problem. I said it can definitely be done. The car owner said again, what to do if it can't be repaired? I said, since the car can't be repaired well, I bought it. Problems like this. Thinking clearly, the solution is actually simple. It cannot be started during the day and restored at night. It's obviously related to temperature. Speaking of ambient temperature, there is a car part. Look, that's it.